Hello, back with Sky Factory. So I added another cobblestone generator. I got a couple diamonds out there and a few to add over there. So now we can start. Uh, let's get this barrel pin down over here somewhere. So now I'm gonna put this node on here and this guy. So to make a couple of these stone barrels, so I'm gonna do the stuff. We'll need. We'll probably have to make some more of them. Stone. Yeah, and I made a couple more crucibles. Actually, that's more stone over here. We'll start one at a time. And we need chest, some iron, some wood. We're just gonna turn all these into chests. And let's make two of them for that. I think it should work. So we're gonna put this here on the back of this guy. You fill up lava. Put this guy on top if we can. Let's see what we need to make. One thing is redstone to make netherrack. Let's just check. We'll find out. We need a chest. Alright, we got one. I guess we can use the wooden one. I think my dog's got something stuck in her throat. Over hacking. Uh, I might have everything. I think I was going for the iron. Let's slap this bad boy down right here. And get our pipe. Put that there. We should put a wooden chest on the end of it. I knew I was after redstone. And put that right on there. Let's see what we get. Let's get some of this stuff out of there. Let's put that in. And we got two netherrack. So that's filling up pretty quick. So you could probably use another one beside it, but it may not keep up. Uh, Need to make some inner IO pipes for this. So we get the netherrack. That's what we need. That's to make a blast furnace. We need netherrack, which is melted netherrack. We need a bunch of them. Not for sure how many we're gonna need, but we just throw this in here and let's get some more coal out. Just check it out. Let's see what we got. Still over here hacking. Maybe she needs a drink of water. Uh, Item conduit. Pulsating. We need iron and a pearl. Send me out pearls, guy. You probably just need one. So just need the nuggets off of it and a piece of iron. So we'll put that in with that cook. It will. I already had iron. So we'll let that cook up. I'm gonna change these pipes over. Okay, as soon as that's done, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So we got our nugget. And now we just need to. I think we're gonna need sand. We're gonna need gravel. That's all we need: sand and clay. Put that one back. Really, that's all I'm gonna let you do at a time. There we go. Oh, shift click. All right, where's my binder at? Excuse me. And we'll get how many? 8. So that's perfect. That's should be what we need for this. Let's go ahead and turn this into nuggets. Wait for this to cook up, and should be good to go. Got 6 of them. All right. So now we can eliminate some of this until we get some power going to this actual utility stuff. Probably should leave that one alone. That one's working fine, so we gotta leave that one alone. Then we'll just do the rest of this. Shift, click, click, and sometimes you can stand on top of it. Put this on extract. Always active. Insert. Insert. This one. Insert. Let's see if this stuff doesn't seem to be keeping up any faster, does it? We'll give it a second, let it catch up. I'll be back. Okay, thing don't seem to be keeping up. We need to get a tier up on this, but it takes blaze rods. Uh, so I'm just gonna make a diamond mesh. 5 strings, and this should give us a chance of. I think it was like this. Might be one in the center. Increase your chance of getting diamonds, and we're gonna need emeralds anyways. So I got all backwards. Huh? Let's just take a look at it. If we go to the bottom and click it, that's the iron one, not that one. That's a 1%, I guess. I mean, that gives a 7. Plus, we get a better chance to get some emeralds. That's a press grab. So we can't go that far yet. Because not. Can't do anything till we get this guy here to keep up a little faster. So we got 10 of these. We won't be able to do anything till we get the blast furnace going. We need to make a piece of endstone. This guy doesn't grow very good on dirt. Endstone. What was endstone? Sand? Maybe? Ooh, we got some more firewood. 78%. Glowstone. How much do I have? Get a piece of it. Alright, get that sand out there. I don't know why I thought sand. And one piece of endstone. There we go. So that'll help that grow, and just basically need this fire water to get done, and put some more redstone in there. I don't think we'll need that many. Let's do it. We get more. Oh, you know what? That may not fill up because there's no lava in it underneath it. So that's basically what we're waiting on is this rare transform. So let's build something else. Oh man, need to make. Let's see. We'll make the builder's one. It takes some wood and some books. So get a few of these out. Get some wood. And we need a string, I think. Was that the last one? We need paper. Got 2 pieces and show you something about that. Right now, string. Where are you at? Hell, I think we just need one more. Then we can make the bookshelves. Do it this way. Make it easy. 2 bookshelves, and then it was a piece of gold from them. So we need 3 pieces of gold. So I think this takes XP to do it. this, and now we got the wand. Alright, let's get rid of some of the stuff. Get rid of the wood. Wrong one. Get rid of this. And I'm gonna start putting out a stone, cobblestone for the. Whoa, 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 whoa! I almost went over there. Didn't I? All right, now click our wand and let's go backwards. Looks good if we run out. That should be about right. So we're gonna need some more. I want to fill that spot in a little bit. Wrong one. Cool. That thing's pretty nice. I like the wand. And let's see if this guy's done. 97%. Let's get some more slabs. All right, so that makes it a little bit better. A little bit more room. And there we are. I keep clicking the wrong one. Let's put this back. And it is ready. I got my bucket on me. I don't have my bucket. Pick a second one. There it is. Now it's filling up. So that's what it was. If we pick this one out, it should pick it up. So it's not as fast, but it's not bad. All right. So now we can speed this up a little bit more. Let's go over and get a couple of these fluid transfers. Let's fill this back up with water. And put the sky on, and now we should see a big difference. Take a look. It's not real fast, but it's coming up. So Heck yeah. Should put fire water at water underneath that. See what that does. So let that run a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's see if we can put together the coke oven. Stack of sandstone, need clay. Okay, so should click. We got 24. We need a couple more. So we ran out of bricks. Let's see if we get out of that. Oh, I forgot we got to cook on. Let's see, we got some more of these. It's got 24. And that'll give us. All right. All right. So we need that for now. All right. So it's going to take 27 of them to do this. I think 27. Should be. Sounds like a good number to me, but. All right. So now we need a hammer. Where is old trusty hammer at? Keep getting lost. And there we have the cocoa. So now we can put a stack of this in. And are you working? All right. So let's see what we got over here. We got left more. We can find so now we need blast. Blast brick is regular brick, either brick. So we're gonna have to cook some more of this up. If they got all dark, just double click out of that and see. And we're gonna have to do the rest of this clay. All right, so we let that do his thing. See what we got here. We got to do something with the creosote. So let's make a drum. What's the gold look like? Yeah, we got enough diamonds for that. We got made a bowl, two regular stone slabs, two, and then we need what, six of these. Then we need three pieces of wood. Bowls. Now we can make that drum. Oh, you know what? I probably already had bowls. Already made a drum. All right. So we need, got one more. Put that there and slam this drum down. There we go. So I'll keep that a little empty. That scared the shit out of me. Okay, so I'm gonna let these cook up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this, I made a few of them. We need 27 of them. And we're missing two bricks. Excuse me. All right. I'm gonna put this one about right here. I was a little off on that. Reason why I'm putting it over so far is that we're gonna have to upgrade this when we start getting steel and stuff. And it's gonna have belts around it and things like that. But right now you can't hook any pipes up to it or anything. Should be right. And then we have the cook oven. So for now I'm just gonna have to transport this to this. Put that on. Let's see what this looks like. Got 7 diamonds still running. I don't think I'm supposed to hit him with a hammer. I'm gonna put this guy down. Put that right on top. And I can throw iron in that one. Right now I don't have enough iron for it, but I'll just put it up there for now. And let's go over and grab this. And that's what I'm making. Start feeding down in there, keeping that full. And there it is. We got our first piece of steel. And some slag. All right. So now we're into making that, so we can start upgrading these machines once we get enough steel. We can get netherrack now, and also in stone. There's other things I think we can make. I think sand and witch water. That'll be our next one to work on. Start getting another quartz. and in business. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.